Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo singles. Take only what resonates. Bali, ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha. Kasi hindi naman to mag-resonate talaga dahil hindi ito personal reading sa lahat. Ano? So, pwedeng mag-resonate, pwedeng hindi. So, bahala ka na. Ayan. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, pwede naman kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Kung gusto mo naman magpa-palm reading sa akin, pwede rin naman. All you have to do is mag-avail ka lang ng ating bracelet kasi free yung palm reading. Okay. Kung mag-avail ka nitong mga pampaswerteng bracelet dun sa TikTok shop, check mo na lang yan sa TikTok shop ko, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay. Let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Virgo singles. Messages for Virgo singles, please. Messages for Virgo singles, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. Nine of Cups, Judgment, Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. So, for what I can see here, Virgo singles, yung iba sa inyo, you're looking for something Okay? Pwedeng, actually, hindi ko pa nakikitang satisfied ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, you're looking for love. Maybe, pinapakita mong okay ka lang with the Judgment, or masaya ka, or pwedeng okay lang kahit walang love life yung iba sa inyo, no? But, deep inside, you want to feel the energy of, you know, may katulong or may kasama, may kapartner ka sa kung ano man yung mga suliranin mo sa buhay mo. Kasi there are times na hindi mo rin kayang gawain or actionan or ayusin kung ano man yung mga dapat mong ayusin sa buhay mo, and maybe you need someone na makakatulong sa'yo. For what I can see here with the Six of Cups, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng you are trapped or parang nako-corner ganon, because a lot of people meron sila mga expectations sa'yo, or meron sila mga hinahangat na gawin mo. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, kung if you're in a relationship, ay if you are single, lalo na yung iba sa inyo na pwedeng nag-iisa kang anak, pwedeng gano'n, nag-iisang anak or nag-iisang babae sa pamilya or lalaki sa pamilya. So yun may mga expectations or may mga paghahangad yung mga pwedeng yung relatives mo na magkaroon ka ng maayos na kakonect. So pwedeng yung iba na pe-pressure din sa part na yun. But anyway, yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with the past. Past person or past connections. But, kunwari lang na parang wala kang pakialam. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. The moon is here. Wow, the sun and moon. Four of Wands. Hindi ko to kukunin. Masyadong marami. King of Pentacles. Okay, for some of you, you are stable, financially stable. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers. So, if you're dealing with the past, hindi lahat may kakonect ha. Pero yung may mga kakonect sa inyo, maybe nag-end yung connection or yung relationship niya ng person in the past. But, pwedeng na doon pa rin yung paghahanap mo or paghahangad mo dito sa person na ito. Yeah, you're still longing. And, or, if your person in the past is may karelasyon or kakonect, pwedeng still you're waiting na magkaroon ng ending sa connection or relationship nila. The sun and moon is here for some of you. You're single and you could be dealing with twin flame or a soulmate. Medyo nagiging mahirap yung connection na ito if you are single tapos twin flame connection ito. Because I feel like merong hindi pagpansin or tinatry na mag-focus sa kanya-kanyang gawain or sa kanya-kanyang buhay ang nangyayari ngayon, and pwedeng hindi na isa sa katuparan yung connection. Okay? For some of you singles, nakikita natin na you want more pa, parang hindi ka pa satisfied nga pagdating sa finances. Kahit pa nakikita natin na nandun yung stability, parang yung iba may mga pinag-iipunan. So, that's why. So, anyway, may messages ba for the future or yung future love messages for Virgo singles? Perfect single guys. Future love for Virgo singles. Future messages for love for Virgo singles. The Death card is here. Five of Wands. I feel like there's a situation in the future na aalisan mo muna in order for you na magkaroon ng new beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be something na hindi na maayos. So, kailangan mong alisan or tapusin muna yon. Kasi pagdating sa love, wala tayong nakikitang new hanggat hindi mo naaalisan itong kung ano man ito. No? Yung iba sa inyo, maybe kaugalian yung tinutukay dito. Kasi, or maybe yung iba sa inyo, if you're not completely healed, yan, kailangan i-heal mo muna yung sarili mo, ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo para ma-welcome mo yung love. Yeah, if you're still dealing with an ex, so you need to move on first bago mo mahanap or bago ka mag-expect ng new love sa buhay mo. Okay? So, yun yung mga nakikita natin. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-move on, if you're dealing with a twin flame and nakukuha tayong ganun, maybe in the near future, there's a possible ending na possible mangyari. Actually, not between the two of you, ng twin flame or ng soulmate mo, but rather doon sa other connections na involved dito, na high chance na pwedeng nandun sa side ng person mo. Okay? There's a possible ending there. Masyadong, wala na kasing alam mo yun, wala na yung passion, wala na yung challenges, and also at the same time yung pwedeng pagdating sa usaping sex, you know, wala na rin. So, nakikita natin ang possible ending because of dun sa mga nabanggit ko. Yun yung mga possible reasons. So, what will happen in the near future for you? Virgo singles. Near future reading for Virgo singles. Knight of Cups. Knight of Wands. Ace of Wands. I can see a person. Ten of Wands is here. Someone na masyadong maraming responsibilidad. A Ten of Wands, someone na maraming responsibilidad, at obligasyon. This person is going to message or reach out. Medyo malayo yung distance or may pagkakalayo Pero this person is going to message you soon. This person, nagpapakita siya ng connection at a soulmate connection, spiritual connection. So maganda yung sinasabi dito kasi magre-reach out siya, maybe hindi mo nakikitang mabilisang or matagalang communication, but rather reach out lang, kamustahan, ganun, or mga musta, pwede ganun. Four of Swords is here. Yeah, after nun, wala na namang gagawin. There's this pause energy, but it's just a fast kind of pahapyaw lang na papansin. And I can see possible offer pero hindi nagagarantiya. Pero nakakita ko ng konting offer mula dito sa taong to. Kung hindi man siya offer na maa-accept agad-agad, maybe mga ilang months ang hihintayin bago matanggap or ma-accept kung ano man itong offer na ito. But I can see possible offer. Pero sabi ko nga, hindi nagagarantiya. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.